Good morning, folks. Today I just wanted to post a quick update on this landscape stairs project. It was about a year ago when I built these stairs, and they made it through their first winter and basically 1 year of service. So there was some interest on my channel about posting an update. So here's what we have 1 year later. Everything looks nice and square still. The lines are straight. None of the joints have pulled apart or anything. The grass is kind of growing along the side like I'd hoped. I'm looking at the fasteners, obviously the top of the rebar, a little rusty, but the specs fasteners are looking good in there. The only thing I had to do this spring was just add a little more gravel. Some of the places, like in here, there was a little lip just from settling of the gravel. I got that topped back up and everything is looking pretty good. So I hope this video gives you some idea of how they hold up. And if you do the same thing, hopefully they hold up as well for you. Thanks for watching.